is Jen from MeritSun Power. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will continue to guide you how to set up the communication for our MeritSun Power lithium battery with Voltronic Expert series of good inverter. Please prepare these components: 1 piece power battery 48 volt 200 amperes, 1 piece Voltronic Expert series inverter 48 volt 6 kW, 1 piece battery and inverter communication cable, and a pair of DC power cable for the connection between the battery and inverter terminals. Okay, let's connect the power cables for the battery and inverter positive and negative terminal connectors. And please make sure polarity at both the battery and inverter is correctly and tightly connected. Connected well the cables, the next operation is for the communication setting. Let's get this communication cable. This is the special pin definition cable to compatible with Voltronic inverter. One side connect the battery RS485 port, and the other side is connect the BMS port of the inverter. And single battery communicate with inverter, the die address of battery to 1 like this. For multi-battery paths in parallel to communicate with inverter, the die address of battery is different. Can follow our guidance document. It says this. Please also note to use the net cable to connect each battery RS485 port so that the batteries can communicate with each other. Okay, now let's turn on the battery and inverter. Press the power button to active and turn on the battery, and then put the air switch to on position. Allow the battery to start the charge and discharge power. After that, simply press this switch to turn on the inverter too. Made the next step to set the communication program type on the Inverter LCD. Press and hold the 4 key to into the selection page. Press the up or down button to choose the program file and hold the 4 key to confirm this setting. Then step leap to enter the lithium battery communication mode. Okay, let's back the home page. Wait for the inverter to automatically communicate with the battery. Here the battery icon flashed, indicating that the communication connection is completed. Okay, above is the instructions for communication setting between our MeriTech lithium battery and Voltronic Expert series of good inverter 48 volt 6 kW. Please follow our YouTube channel. Here we will update you the latest information of lithium battery. See you next time.